Good morning. Do expect a sprinkle snap to sweep the capital region today. Afternoon readings will be way below the seasonal norms, so dress warmly on your way out, and it's shaping up to be even chillier tomorrow. And actually, it could feel a lot colder than what the thermometer shows because of strong gusts of wind. Parts of Gangwon-do Province are under a strong wind advisory, while a preliminary strong wind advisory is in place for many other regions, that's including here in the capital. And morning lows are a couple of notches lower than the same time yesterday. Chuncheon is as low as 3 degrees Celsius, Jeju at 11 degrees this morning, but we'll see more sunshine than clouds today. Daily highs in Seoul will only reach 10 degrees Celsius, while southern parts of the country will also see readings going 2 to 5 degrees lower than the season norms. So it looks to be a chilly and windy Tuesday. Dress accordingly. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the globe.